The Art of Desire, the last of 5 lessons. Desire summarized. Know that what one chooses to think, say, and or do has a constructive or destructive influence, both within us as well as to those around us. So be aware and wary of this and that fact. Things which bring pleasure and ease to one via material associations are not at fault unless you use them selfishly or wrongfully. Remember, things of the earth eventually pass away. 'Tis the very lesson of impermanence at play, while enduring love is that which sustains one in their darkest hour, test, trial, and tribulation, abiding with us always. This can only be done as one learns to sing and dance with thy shadow, as one would a partner, as one would appreciate looking deeper into the spiraling heart of a galaxy rose, as one would stop, stoop, and listen to songbirds and crickets chirping, as seen in the paintings made by every rising and setting sun, in the radiance of moonbeams and the afterglow of a face happy to see you, or the mighty storm contained within every raindrop. Yes, in every and all the ugly, despicable, and decrepit things people do and hold in their otherwise dark hearts, until they themselves can see the abiding light. That's the kind of unwavering desire it takes to muster and express true love, harmony, and accord, as opposed to discord, hate, or violence. What comes next is anybody's guess as to what that might be without really knowing. And yet, in facing come what may without expectation, be it temptation or weakness, is precisely what this hokey pokey is all about, spinning around, learning to overcome bad, evil, wrongdoing via stepping into one's own power in solidarity with one another, no less. For surely each and every soul knows we all go on from things which are terrestrial to things that are celestial again and again, from the mental and material kingdom to things of the mental and spiritual realms. And within each of these and those spheres of influence, the consciousness of thy soul continues to speak and seek emotional expression in whatever that particular field of activity may be, which you alone have rendered wrong, built by yourself in the principle of life, and living. See, easy. It really is. And you could too.